Alright everybody, so starting off with the build here today, we got this epic Van Halen sign to make. The background is actually going to be replicating his infamous guitar, and the pattern is going to be pretty sweet. We're going to jump right into the build, hop on the scroll saw, and start cutting out the logo, so let's get right into it. Alright everybody, so we did go ahead and apply the finish oil onto the background here. So this thing is really popping right now, and it's kind of having that tone of what that Stratocaster actually looks like. So we're super happy with the way it turned out. What we have to do now is go ahead and add the border onto it. So we have our pieces of hickory right here. We already cut it down to size. It's ready to glue up. We did test fit it, so everything is good there. And then we're going to go ahead and add the finish oil onto the actual Van Halen logo right here. We just went ahead, we placed it down here to see what it's actually going to look like. And it's pretty sweet. Can't wait to get the oil on that one. And it was actually hours and hours of sanding to make sure this was absolutely perfect, because there were so many fine details and tiny edges on this thing. We got it all ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and get this whole thing wrapped up. Let's put it all together. That about wraps up this Van Halen build right here. Totally epic, and it's actually a pretty heavy sign because we did put that hickory border on here. But you know what? Good sturdy sign. It's always a good thing. So we're gonna be shipping this thing off. Little collaboration build we did with the killer pizza. I don't think I mentioned that, but that's what this was all about. So we gotta get this thing in the mail, send it off. Pretty sweet. Be sure to hit the like button if you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more crazy builds like this. But just like that, this video is over.